Guys, me in the kitchen, yeah? Me a clean up, wash a plate and do little something. Just for see my body here. Me a say, yo. Hey guys, it's your boy Damari and welcome back to my channel. Yes man, welcome back. Guys, at the first me experience an earthquake. 7.2 magnitude. Trust me. I don't know man. Guys, me in the kitchen, yeah? Me a clean up, wash a plate and do little something. Just for see my body here. I say, yo, what is this? So, I look around to find out if anything a shake. You understand? So, I can take cover. You see me? Go and do a jam, whichever, take cover. You see me? But realize, say, yo, nothing a shake, nothing a move, and me alone. And I say, what is this? And guys, because of the whole pandemic now, the COVID thing, start to feel, a little weird. You understand? So, my sister in the next room now, we say, Kayla! She come out and say, what? I say, you don't feel earthquake? She say, earthquake. No, me don't feel it. So then again, guys, me I say, no, sir. Something can't be right. This don't look right. No, sir. So me I say, Tina, what kind of feelings this? So guys, we go run a back, we pick some fever grass, bush or leaf or whatever it is, and go in the fridge, go get some ginger, boil and say, no sir, I don't know if my mind play with me or bad feelings or whatever it is. So we just say, yo, and probably because, a morning, want to drink some tea or whatever. So, boom, go drink some tea now. And after me drink some tea and thing, and trust me guys, it hurt me. I don't know how some people get excited for earthquake and all of them something there. So, I don't know. And I said, no sir, this can't be right. So after now, me hear my neighbor say, yo, you don't feel the earthquake? And then me can say, oh, it was an earthquake. But after guys, I did some research and I realized it hit 80 the most or the hardest. 7.2 magnitude. I see some building mashed down or whatever. We just want to reach out to over 80 and know, say, yo, I just pray that no life is lost. No life, the world I go through a pandemic right now, and we just want to, live and enjoy life to the best of our ability and just, just stop the negative things, you see me? Right, guys? Until then, I just want you to be safe. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Trust me. Be safe, guys. Be safe. Be safe out here. I'm out.